Science class. Today we will discuss third lesson, living and non-living things. Living and non-living. Non-living. Yes, already we discussed what are the living things, non-living things. Yes, man-made things and next nature things we will discuss. Today we discuss differences between living and non-living things. Differences. Okay? Differences of living and non-living things. Okay. First one, living things are moved. Living things move. Living things are moved. The movement of living things shows that they live, that they are alive. Okay, you know children, birds, next insects, then can fly. Next dogs, cats, these animals walk and run. Yes. Next fish was swim in water. Yes, these animals, birds, insects, dogs and fish, these animals move. They have a life. Okay, these animals move, they have a life. The birds, insect, dogs, cats, fish, these are the move itself. తనంతట తాను కదులుతాయి. ఎవరైనా హెల్ప్ చేస్తారా వీటికి? కదులు నాన్న, తీసుకొని అని చేయబట్టుకొని తీసుకెళ్లారు కదా. ఎస్, దీస్ బర్డ్స్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్, ఆల్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ ది మూవ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. ఆల్ లివింగ్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ మూవ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. తనంతట తాను ఓన్గా కదులుతూ ఉంటాయి. ఎస్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఫాక్స్ ఆర్ ది రన్ అండ్ వాక్. నెక్స్ట్ duck. Next some birds, crane, crow, these birds are the fly. Next, you know plants, how to move teacher? Plants move above kada antaru, but plants are the living things. So you know mimosa plant, children, mimosa plant. This plant was touched plant. It's called also touched plants. Touch me not plant అని పిలుస్తాం వీటిని. టచ్ మీ నాట్ ప్లాంట్స్ అని. ఈ ప్లాంట్ని మనం టచ్ చేసాం అనుకుని, దిస్ ప్లాంట్ లీవ్స్ ఆర్ ది క్లోజ్. ఓకే, వి నాట్ టచ్ దిస్ ప్లాంట్ లీవ్స్, ఇట్ లీవ్స్ ఆర్ ది ఓపెన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ టచ్ మీ నాట్ ప్లాంట్. హియర్ సీ చిల్డ్రన్ వన్స్ mimosa plant. We can touch this plant leaves. These leaves are the close. Here see, we can touch the plant. The plant leaves are the close. We don't touch this plant. The plant leaves are the open. Okay. Yes. The plant leaves are the here open. The touch that leaves are the close. This is called as touch me not plant, or it is a mimosa plant. Okay, you know sunflower also. Yes, you know sunflower move sun side, east side. Avuna, sunflower move. Wait children, sunflower move or turn towards the sun. Turn towards the sun. Sun ఎట్ సైడ్ ఉంటే అట్ సైడ్ సన్ఫ్లవర్ తిరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. యూ కెన్ సీ హియర్ లైట్. ఇక్కడ సన్ ఉందనుకోండి, సన్ వైపే ఈ ఫ్లవర్ తిరిగి ఉంటుంది. ఒకవేళ దిస్ సైడ్ అనుకోండి, దిస్ సైడే తిరిగి ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? The sunflower turn towards the sun. You know children, table, chair, duster, chalk piece. Okay, these things are move by itself. Yes, వీటంతటా ఇవి కదలగలవా? Table, chair, duster. Does the table move by itself? Table move itself? No. Why? It's not alive. These are the not alive. These things are the non-living things. These things are the non-living things. Okay, these things are the non-living things. Table, chair, duster, board. These things are the not move. Okay, we have to move it. We have to move it. Therefore, we can say that only living things move on their own. On their own. And table, chair, duster does not move. Table, chair, duster does not move. Yes. Only which things are the move? Living things are the move. Yes. Living things are the move. Living things are the move. Non-living things are they? No. Well, you know already what are the non-living things? Duster, board, car. Car move itself? No. We started the car and we move the car. Next, chair, phone, computer, so many. These are the non-living things. These things are the not move itself. Tanantata tanu kadalu. Living things are the move. You know living things, birds, animals, humans. These are the move. Birds are the move. Yes. Animals, lion, tiger, camel. These animals are the move. Yes. Humans, human beings. We all are the human beings. We are moving. Yes, human beings also move. These moving things are called as living things. And non-living things don't move things. Some move things, duster, board, car. These things are the don't move itself. These are called as non-living things. Okay. Next, now we learn living things are the move. Yes, we can examples also, you know, living things are move, non-living things are not move. Yes. Next one, living things are the grow. Next reference, living things are grow. Living things grow. Living things grow. See children, we are childhood. Okay. Well, wait, see the example. Is a child grow adult. A human baby grows into an adult, or chick grows into a hen. Yes. Small plant, baby plant grows into a big tree. Yes, it is grows. They grow to change. మనం grow అవుతున్న దాంట్లో చేంజ్ ఉంది కదా. Small human baby, small baby grow into adult. Chick grows into hen. Baby plant grows into a tree. They grow changes. Yes, changes ఉన్నాయి. Yes, all living things are the grow. These living thing. Yes, human beings are the living thing. Yes, birds are the living things. Yes, trees are the living things. Yes, living things are the grow. Non-living things, children. Duster is grow? No. Computer is grow? No. Yes, computer grow? Computer grow అవుతుందా? No. Duster? No. Phone? No. Bench? No. Next, car? No. Table? No. These are the non-living things. Non-living things are the not grow. Non-living are the not grow. Living things are the grow. You know, human baby, small human baby. human baby grows adult, grows adult. Next, chick, chick grows into hen, chick grows into hen. Small plant, baby plant, baby plant grows a big tree. Yes, trees. Okay, these are the changes. Baby, human baby is a grows an adult, chick, hen, baby plant, trees. These are the changes to grow. These are all are the human baby, chick, baby plants. These are the living things. Living things. Living things are the grow. Yes, we can see human baby grows adult, chick, hen, baby plant, trees. Human beings are the grows adult. Living things are the grow, but not grow the non-living things. Computer, duster, phone, bench, car, tables. These are the grow. These things are the grow. No, these things are the not grow. These are the non-living things. Computer, rocks, air, water, duster. These are the they not grow. These things are the they do not grow. These are the non-living things. Yes, you know differences living things and non-living things. You know differences living things. Next, you can write next block non-living things. Okay, living things are the move. Yes, living things are the move. Non-living things are the not move. Living things are the grow. Yes, non-living things are the they do not grow. They do not grow. These are the differences. So many differences. So children, living today we will discuss only two differences. Living things are the move and living things are the grow. Two differences we will discuss, and next class we discuss more differences. Move, grow. Today we will discuss. Next class we discuss living things are the need food. Next, living things are the feel. These differences explain next class. Okay, today only we discuss some differences. Living things are the move and living things are the grow. Okay, thank you.